Yeah, not much going on. Well, except maybe the biggest Supreme Court decision in our lifetime. Unbelievably, the decision of Roe v. Wade has been leaked, and the Supreme Court has overturned Roe v. Wade.
Well,
sort of. I mean, they could change their minds.
Yeah.
And would that surprise anybody if they did? Not one bit.
No, I'm pretty sure it happened with Obamacare and John Roberts.
Oh, it sure did. However, this time, we don't need Roberts. You got the other 5 conservatives, the actual conservatives on the Supreme Court. 5 have all voted, all 5 of them. The 3 liberals on the court voted the other way. So right now it's 5-3 with 1 abstention. And that abstention, of course, is John Roberts.
You got to see which way the wind's blowing.
Yep.
Ugh.
He's pathetic.
He is.
He
so bad.
Is terrible. But Sam Alito wrote the majority opinion, and it's already been leaked. I don't know how this happened. How did it happen?
Well,
this is not supposed to happen.
Oh, I think the theory, and I think it's an accurate one, that people...
Maybe drip it out there and lessen the impact a little bit?
No, this is a chance to get the public riled up and the minions that are already in front of the Supreme Court last night. Gee, how did they know that this was coming?
Yeah, but...
And this could change.
How did they allow it to happen?
Oh,
that's just crazy.
No.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and I think that, this is... They're hoping that they could change minds through mobocracy. That's exactly what this is.
And it wouldn't surprise me. Of course, the 5 who voted to overturn Roe v. Wade seem pretty solid. Now, if they had to have John Roberts to keep the majority, then
you'd be more concerned.
All bets are off. Yeah, I'd be really, really concerned. But I was looking at the 5. And let's see, where are they? Okay, here it is.
Yeah.
It's Clarence Thomas, obviously.
Yeah.
Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, Amy Coney Barrett, and Samuel Alito. Those are 5 solid conservatives.
At least on this one.
Yep. Stephen Breyer, Sonia Sotomayor, and Elena Kagan are working on 1 or more dissents, according to the person with knowledge of this. How Chief Justice Roberts will ultimately vote and whether he will join an already written opinion or draft his own is unclear.
And who cares?
We don't need him. Don't need him, but it would be nice to have it 6-3. That would be pretty solid. A pretty solid overturning of an absolutely, how did Alito put it, egregiously decided court case.
Yeah.
Roe v. Wade, egregiously decided. Roe was egregiously wrong from the start, he wrote. Its reasoning was exceptionally weak, and the decision has had damaging consequences. And far from bringing about a national settlement of the abortion issue, Roe and Casey, which was later, I think 1993, have inflamed debate and deepened division. Isn't that the truth? So Alito's opinion here is really solid.
Yeah. Yeah, he says it's time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives. That's all they're trying to do is give it back to the states, right?
Yes.
Which in November 2020, when it
and
was
that's all this does,
right?
By the way,
yeah,
that's all Roe does.
It doesn't say you're banned from doing abortions in the United States.
No, it doesn't. The California law can still be in place. They can still have their abortion all the way up to 7 weeks after birth thing. Massachusetts and New York and all those abortion places where they're just in a cult of death, frankly, they can continue that. But Texas we can bow out of the abortion business. Utah can bow out of the abortion business. Indiana, Idaho, all the places that don't want to do this anymore. Oklahoma just passed a law, 6-week abortion ban.
Yeah, and this is not how it's going to be argued in the press. You're going to hear,
yes,
oh my gosh, they're going to ban abortion and women's rights. And
what you're going to hear is, they're going to go to back alley abortion clinics and die. They're going to go to back alley places and make it illegal, and they're going to die. No, that's not what's going to happen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they were already. I swear they knew this was coming. Okay, they've got some sort of religious sycophant, and by that I mean a fanatic that is so pro-abortion inside the Supreme Court that leaked this document, that leaked this ruling. And already last night they had the chanting and the "We won't go back," or what were they chanting last night? Listen.
We will not go back.
What?
You don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. Yeah, it's already been decided. I hope. I hope.
Yeah.
I hope it stays decided. We will not go back. Even before Roe v. Wade, 1/3 of the states, as Alito mentioned in his opinion piece that he wrote, 1/3 of the states did have abortion. 1/3 of the states, it was legal in those states, and you could go there for your abortion.
If it means that much to you, go.
You didn't need to do it in a back alley.
But it's going to be fun to hear not only the chants, but the tweets and the people on the left that are going to be screaming for.
And I'm sure.
They've already started.
There's going to be rioting.
Oh yeah.
There's going to be things burned down.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. It's going to be ugly for a while. It's going to be ugly.